Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Playgroup class, today we are going to learn from book New Countdown Starter 3rd edition. So first of all of you open this book. Now students, let's begin today's lesson. Our first statement is tick the box which has 4 in number. Playgroup class, count with me how many flowers are in the first box. Let us count. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 flowers. How many flowers are there? These are 3 flowers. Let us count how many flowers are in the second box. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 flowers. How many flowers are there? These are 4 flowers. Playgroup class, do you know which box has 4 in number? The second box has 4 in number. Now we will tick the second box like this. Our second statement is tick the box which has 5 in number. Let us count how many ice creams are in the first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 ice creams. How many ice creams are there? These are 5 ice creams. Let us count how many ice creams are in the second box. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 ice creams. How many ice creams are there? These are 4 ice creams. Playgroup class, do you know which box has 5 in number? The first box has 5 in number. Now we will tick the first box like this. Okay playgroup class, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye students.